Hello guys, hello beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like and share and turn on the notification bell so that when I drop valuable content like this, you get to receive it. And if you're a returning subscriber, we love you. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make money online as a stay-at-home mom in this year where you start cashing out instantly, as in instantly you start cashing out. So stay with me to the end of this video. As you can see on the system right now, this is live. The website is called Owo Daily. Most of you would have probably heard of Owo Daily, probably from a friend or just seen it online. Well, it's a platform that helps you make money. This is what you do on the platform. You do micro jobs on the platform. Yeah, like all this Upwork, Fiverr. It is just a website you do micro jobs, as in mini tax, online mini tax. Let's read what it says. Make money working from home on Africa's fastest growing digital and affiliate network. Access to unlimited digital jobs shared daily on the network, or promote affiliate offers shared by businesses to earn a commission when a job is completed successfully or you made an affiliate sale. As a brand or business, never pay for bad traffic again. You can now access to hire thousands of targeted digital workers and affiliates to promote your business or brand and enjoy the very best performance marketing solution in Africa, or instantly connect your brand, product or services with millions of paying customers using our marketplace. Yes, as you can see, it says Owo Daily member, you can earn by completing digital jobs successful as a network affiliate or hiring workers to perform that job. It also talks about Owo Daily affiliate. Get everything on Owo Daily membership plus access to earning commissions. So we go further. So this is what their website looks like. This is what it looks like. Yes, are you ready to register? Blah 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 blah. So let me take you guys inside the website after registration. After registration, I think you pay a token to get registered, like a one-time membership fee. So this is what the inside looks like. Yes, there are a lot of jobs you can do here and get paid. For instance, take a look at this. Let's start from here. Take a look at this YouTube job. So it pays 15 naira. This Apple Streams pays 20 naira. Sign up on Kuda pays 350. Kuda Bank sign up 350. YouTube subscription, it pays 10. Palm Play sign up, it pays 200. Just look at it. Cash Pay sign up 200. So just imagine these ones are paying 200. You are able to just do like 10. You understand? That's like 10,000. That's like 2,000 naira. If you're able to do 10, 2,000 naira. This one paying 350. You get, if you're able to do another 10, that's 3,005. If you add it, 2,000 plus 3,005, that is 5,005. You understand me? Okay, take a look at this one paying 750. Enforced commission on Owo Daily 750. So if you're able to do like 10 as well in a day, that's 75. This one pays you 2,000 naira. And there are a lot of jobs like that you can do on this particular app. So let me pick one and show you guys how I made my withdrawal yesterday. Yeah, I withdrew from the account. So let me choose one job here and show you guys. Okay, let's do this first one. YouTube job. Let's see what it says. It's 15 naira. Sorry guys, seems my network. Yeah, sorry guys for the break in transmission. So we opened the first job and this is what it looks like. Sorry, this is what it looks like. It said read, let me go up. Read the instruction carefully. Only submit proof after completion. So this is what it says. Workers needed. They need 780 workers. 780 to tell you how filled this website is with workers. And just imagine, workers applied as 616. So 616 persons have probably done this job and they are waiting for response or have been replied, but let's just say they have applied. So this is the job instruction. It says click on the link to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Instruction number 2, please watch my video for at least 1 minute. This is actually optional, so you can click on it and go back. Watch the video for at least 1 minute. Instruction number 3, turn on post notifications. So what you just do is the regular things you do. You get the regular things you do is what you do. Is what you're going to do here. It says click on the link, like this video, subscribe, and do what? Watch at least 1 minute. Then you turn on post notification. Even that 1 minute safe, you don't have to watch it because it is even optional. So we click on this start job. Okay, let's click on start job. Let's see where it brings us. So this is the YouTube channel of the
Hello
person.
and welcome to Homeware. Over the years, decentralized applications such as PancakeSwap, Rigel, Gift, DAP run in complete absence of the government. Such applications.
Thank you. The video is 3 minutes long. What they said we should do is, this is the video. All you just need to do is like. Yeah, like. They didn't ask us to subscribe, so you like. They didn't ask us to subscribe, but unfortunately the notification whatever around here is not coming up. So I would have turned on the notification bar, but it's not coming up. So we subscribe, it's up, we turn it on. So that's all. The watch for 1 minute is optional.
Applications can be accessed by decentralized wallets and exchanges such as MetaMask and Trust Wallet. The use of DApps has become popular over the years with services ranging from swapping, yield farming, earning, marketing, etc.
So you add it.
It's very difficult to go a day without hearing about huge companies offering insane.
Thank you. So you close it.
Hello and welcome to Homeware. Over the years,
Akilode ale ẹ ṣé o. Ẹ ṣé o. So The proof needed. The only thing we need to do is submit correctly your proof below. After successful job completion, attach screenshots if required. So what is the proof needed? Okay, screenshot. The proof needed is a screenshot that you liked and subscribed to the channel. The proof needed here is a screenshot that you liked and subscribed to that particular channel. This is best done on your phone. You get, this is best done on your phone. I spend hours online watching videos, comedies that are not even necessary or are not even earning me money. So these are just little tasks that you just do. In how many seconds we are done? What you do is, okay, I've subscribed, screenshot, blah blah blah. You come here, choose file, submit file. You are done. 15 naira don't add for your account be that. Yes. From there, you go to the next job. Yeah. So you go back to jobs, available jobs. You go to the next job. I think it's loading. Yeah, my network is a bit bad, I guess so. Sorry guys, it's loading. As I'm clicking available jobs, I showed you guys the other time. What's wrong? Network, it's very fuck up. Yeah, so guys, you can probably do any of these jobs and get paid. That is the simple way to do any of these tasks. You follow the instruction, very easy. You sign up or do whatever you're asked to do and send a screenshot. Some might not even ask you to send a screenshot. Some will just say drop your name and Gmail, that's all, and they go. So the little secret I told you I will share on this platform, how I make like 10k 20k in a day on this platform, is via their membership affiliate program. You understand? Let me read this membership Q&A or something for you. It says all paid members have access to all digital available jobs posted in the registered target locations and access to be network affiliates earning via invites. With our tools, you'll be able to further as a digital marketer or social media manager while on Owodele Plus affiliate marketing and cashback. So this website, this sweetheart of mine, is a website where you refer people as well. Aside from doing these tasks, you can refer people and get paid. This is what I do. I copy my group, my link here. I will leave the link in the description box. You can click on the link to sign up. Click on the link in the description box to sign up. But that same link is the link I leave, and you will also be getting a link like that, something like that, as a link that you can send to friends. And this is what I do. I join Facebook groups, majorly groups that are about how to make money online. Yes, groups that are about how to make money online. You just go on Facebook, type how to make money in Nigeria, how to make money online. You see a lot of groups on Facebook. Feel free to join. If you can join 4 or 5 of them, what you just need to do is make sure you post on those groups every day. Do that for 2 weeks. Consistency. Do that for 2 weeks. and I'm telling you, you will be cashing out from this group. Is websites, you will be cashing out big time from this website over and over again. Post on Facebook groups over and over again. Tell them that on this group they will make money when they sign up, and when they sign up you'll be cashing out. I'm telling you. So guys, this is the secret I want to share, because this is what I've been using. Free traffic to cash out. You get me? You get me? You feel me? Free traffic. Just imagine that you're able to bring in 15 persons to sign up on this group every day, on this website every day for just a week. Or they cash out over and over. So that is what the affiliate does, and that is the best part. That is one beautiful part I like about this Owodele whatever. And aside from that, they have their marketing this thing where you can promote their product and get paid. Yeah, you promote their products and get paid. They have I think a page where they post e-commerce whatever. You promote them and get paid. That's how to make money legitly on Owodele. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please do well to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I love you guys. Thanks.